Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, all thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Finally, I got my hands on this work, on this translation published by Turath Publishing. It is a commentary on the Hadith of Jami at-Sunan of Imam al-Tirmidhi, but specifically to the chapters on trade and commerce. And this commentary is by Shaykh Mufti Muhammad Taqi Usmani, hafidhahullah, which are actually his lectures, which were published many years ago in Urdu. And alhamdulillah, I had the opportunity and the honor to translate them into English and also add a lot of footnotes and commentary on them. I had been working on this for the past 5 years. It took about 5 years, maybe even 6 years to work on this. I completed it about a year and a half ago, but the publication was delayed, and I was just waiting for it to be published. But alhamdulillah, yesterday was the first time I actually saw this book and felt it with my hands, and it feels very good when you are able to feel a book which you put so much effort into. So it says here, commentary by Mufti Muhammad Taqi Usmani, and then translated and annotated, because it's not just a translation. There's an annotation, there's footnotes that I've added as well. Inside, if you look, mashallah, the paper is great quality. I love the paper quality. And after the contents page, we have right in the beginning, publisher's forward, which is the Turath Publishing. And then there's preface by Shaykh Mufti Muhammad Taqi Usmani, hafidhahullah. He actually wrote this preface in 1.5 pages himself in English. He actually wrote this 2 years ago, 29th Ramadan, which was May 1st, 2022. I was in Pakistan myself, and he actually typed it out himself on his laptop, and then he gave it to me. Alhamdulillah, and he said some great things about the translation. And then there's an introduction by myself, translator's introduction, in a few pages, just like the context and the background of the work. And then we start with Abwab al-Buyu'i an Rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, chapters on trade and commerce from the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And then we have each chapter, the Arabic text of the Hadith, a translation, and then the commentary starts, and then there's commentary. And then there's a lot of footnotes. So I've added a lot of explanatory footnotes, which are mainly taken from other works of Mufti Taqi Usmani, hafidhahullah, like his Takmilat Fathul Mulhim, his Fatawa Uthmani, Buhud fi Qadaya Fiqhiyya Mu'asara. So like, for example, here there's a lot of footnotes here, and that's why it's become quite detailed, the book. So alhamdulillah, this is now available. Turath Publishing is the publisher, and I'm sure it's available in the various bookshops across the country and maybe in different parts of the world as well, inshallah. May Allah accept the efforts of everybody involved. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.